DJI Pocket 4 pre-orders are starting to show up, but this isn't an official global pre-order situation just yet. What's happening right now is something a bit different, and actually more interesting. According to the new camera, what we're seeing in China are blind pre-orders being taken by retailers, not an official DJI launch. These are based on internal distribution info, and they're already live through offline stores and WeChat. A WeChat message from a DJI authorized dealer confirms that pre-orders for what they're calling the annual flagship handheld device opened on April 4th, 2026. That lines up almost perfectly with everything we've been hearing about the Pocket 4 timeline. Now, these are being sold under a blind order policy, which basically means you're pre-ordering without knowing the full specs or even the final price yet. If you're not happy once everything is revealed, you can cancel. So there's some safety built in. The ordering process is also very typical of early retail bookings. It's handled on a first come, first served basis, and customers are only required to complete full payment once the product is officially released and ready for pickup. There's also still uncertainty around key details. Pricing hasn't been finalized, exact stock levels aren't confirmed, and even the final sales timing isn't fully locked. Retailers are already warning that high demand could push later orders into a second batch, which is pretty standard for DJI launches. So the takeaway is this: pre-orders are technically live, but only in this early unofficial retail sense. These blind bookings are a strong signal that DJI is right at the edge of launching the Pocket 4 globally, with current expectations pointing toward an official announcement around April 20th, likely starting in China before expanding globally. But as of now, the official pre-order phase with confirmed specs and pricing hasn't started yet. And as for the specs, we've already covered them, and since there's nothing new, we're not getting into that in this video. That's where things stand right now. I'll update you as soon as we get to know more. Peace.